We have a new event this morning called Stars and Stripes. We've also got a car hunt for the Ford Shelby GT350R. I've done videos for that hunt before. If you search for the car name and Madder Than You, you should find it if you want to view that. I'll check if the objectives are the same later. But let's look at this Stars and Stripes event. It's got blueprint, solo rewards and some credits and ranked reward. And how long's it running for? Sorry. Just 4 days. Shelby GR1, Dodge Viper and the Grand Sport. Grand Sport's the best car out of them. They all look regulated at max rank. Let's do this. This track isn't familiar to me. I feel quite flustered this morning. Loads of stuff's been happening outside my house. As always, the bin men arrive early. Then 20 minutes later, another bin truck arrives to get other rubbish because someone's dumped a sofa somewhere. And then just now, about 8 people have descended to repair a 1 metre square piece of roof. And they've all come in their own cars, and 2 are in pickups. One's in a van, one's got a flatbed. Now the flatbed's got gas tanks on it and tar pits, and someone's standing on the back of the flatbed stirring a tar pit. It's quite unnerving when all this is happening around you. It's like 4 people putting a ladder up to look at a 1 metre square bit of roof, all debating what to do while everyone rushes around to get stuff. And one of the other neighbours asked one of them, "What are you doing?" And the guy just said, "I don't know." It's like none of them actually know. They're just the pieces in the puzzle, and only one of the people there knows exactly what's going on. Otherwise someone's just, "I'm just moving this gas canister from there to there." This is a nasty track. Might have to do that a few times to preserve top 5%. I'm not going to upload runs in each car. This event will be over in a few days, and there's not much to win in it. Good luck, guys. I'm Madder Than You.